What is up, peeps? This is DS12's here, and today we are going to do another tutorial on how to change your M.U.G.E.N life bars into a different one. So, in personal terms, I haven't done any tutorials ever since that I think the GFX one where I had to make the thumbnails and stuff, but that's because the same reason was on my first welcome back commentary video, Doki Doki Literature Club, and yeah, that if you already watched it, then you should probably know. But if you guys hadn't, then it was actually because of I was busy in life and stuff, never being able to manage time for this. But since I'm like alone at my house right now, I am free to do things like this. So anyway, it's time to get back what I had indirectly discarded a long time ago with this tutorial. So, in this one, we're gonna do M.U.G.E.N life bars, as I said already, and let's get started. So, I made little preparations before I started recording, because getting the life bars together is tedious and it requires some download. So, personally, I feel hyped for that Smash 5 game coming out in the future, so I installed a new Smash 4 life bars as a tribute to Super Smash Bros. 4. So we are going to put that into one of my main screen packs, the Enemies of Fear 1.0. And it requires some steps, but it's simple enough. So I never done this yet, but I actually put the Smash 4 life bars into the data file, which you should always do whenever you're exporting life bars into your screen pack. So it always has to be in this data file. So aside from that, we are going to proceed to the font and exporting the file. So for the font, you pretty much have all these stuff right here, and you can't export the file, but you have to export all this into the screen pack font file. So let's just get that over with. It's too bad you can't even export the whole file itself, but it's worth it if you know how to use a computer. So okay, we're just gonna paste it in here, and as you can see, I've got it all nailed. Alright, so since that font life bar is over with, we can now import the Smash file into the system. So just rename this thing since you're using that file as a screen pack. Oh, actually, I kind of forgot, but you have to import this into your data file, into the Enemies of Fear screen pack data file. So let's paste that in. Okay, so that's in there. And then we're gonna rename, copy from that, and then we have to go to the system file where you're gonna be pasting it in. So as you can see, there's some confusing text right here, but that doesn't all matter. What matters is this. So you have to put the name of the file life bar here, and then put a slash, and then you have to save. And believe it or not, there's actually a side tutorial here of what you have to do. So this life bar is made by Garchomp Matt, aka Plasmoid Thunder, and he provided a tutorial on his other life bars too, including this one. So yeah, it's not really that hard, but just in case, you guys should look up this one. It's very useful. But anyway, that was pretty a simple part of this tutorial, so let's test this thing out. So since my screen pad takes a little long while to load because I have like so much characters in my roster, I'm gonna cut this thing out. So I'll be right back. And we are back. So just for the record, I feel like a complete idiot right now, because the Smash life bars apparently are 1.1 compatible, as I didn't even read the freaking readme. So I couldn't even start up my game because of that, and that was my fatal mistake right there. I feel like a complete idiot right now. But I had to do a replacement life bar, which is the Vortex one, which is another one of Garchomp Matt's, aka Plasmoid Thunder's other life bars, and it seemed to work. And believe it or not, the effects are entirely bigger than I actually expected it would. So I had to like lower it to 0.5 as the original in the Fight.df and the Enemies of Fear 1.0. Like, for all you non-Music users out there, you wouldn't probably understand, but still, there was like a lot of problems for me before I had to start this recording. But anyway, I fixed it all and I was able to get the game going and running. But aside from that, I really want to test out the life bars now, and it seemed to work. So I want to show it off to you guys on the working life bar. So in this case, we're gonna do a simple battle with Mario and Captain Falcon on the Final Destination stage. So I hope you enjoy. God dang it. Okay, there we go. So just a simple battle. It won't count as a random mutant battle like that. It's just associated with this tutorial. So everything's going well. This is how you end in life bars and stuff. Yeah. You might encounter a few mistakes or any of that, but I fixed them, so feel free to ask me if you had like any problems that I may be able to take care of. Okay, Mario, you are not doing anything right now. What the hell is wrong with you? Oh, finally he's getting into his action. Oh! They apparently have equal health now! Do you really think blocking his Falcon punch would put you in the safe state, Mario? Oh, wow. Okay, that was a really close battle, actually. Mario actually won that one while he was getting wrecked by Captain Falcon and his combos, man. But anyway, I'm starting to wonder if this would become a round 3 because they have like really good AI. And just so you know, I'm not playing as Mario, this is watch mode. Falcon. Dude, just spam with the Falcon punches though, man. You gotta take a break from that? Yeah, just go straight into your combos. You're like straight up combo, man. Unless you're One Punch Man. I'm sorry. Oh, this one's gonna be also close. Captain Falcon, you're getting sandwiched. Okay, never mind, I just jinxed it. Ooh. Ooh, and Mario has won that round 2-0. Mario is the victor. Okay, so, that's how you add in life bars, you guys, and that's pretty much it, actually. not really much to say about this, but I'm really sorry for my big screw up there. So I had to replace the Smash Life Bar with the Vortex thing, so because it seems to work better in 1.0. So, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Just then.
Alright, so I completely forgot. You can even add effects from the other screen packs originally to the one in the file you were intended to do with to export into your system file in this screen pack. So for example, I export from the Enemies of Fear screen pack. I exported its effects, its sounds, and just in case its comment thingies into this custom file, the EOF lifebars, into the international M.U.G.E.N lifebar. So it's pretty simple actually. It's all in it's all in the other screen pack's data file. You just have to like be particular about what you're gonna export. So you gotta be a bit careful with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. So I exported the sounds, the effects, and stuff like that. But most importantly, you should export these files. So I got these files from the Enemies of Fear screen pack. So that is the most important one. So, but the optional material here is this one and this one. So that's pretty much it for this one, I guess.